What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Oil and Gears. Today we're going to slow it down a little bit and do some fun stuff. So, XB emblems, these aren't actually off my car. I got these at a junkyard because I wanted to play around with color. So, as you may know, my color scheme is black, red, blue. My Scion is blue. I have the black rims with the red ring around it. So, what I'm thinking about doing is coloring these in the blue on the front and then the red accent on the sides. So we'll see how that goes. What I'm using is Duplicator. It's the dark blue pearl, same color as my Scion. Primer, and then a red enamel paint marker for the sides. Hopefully it comes out good. Again, it's just an experiment. We'll see how it goes. I did think about blacking out all the emblems or just taking them off completely, but I think going with this idea gives it a little bit of pop, a little bit with that red accent. So let's do it. Alright, so there you have it. I do like it. I like the blue, I like the red accent. There's a couple of places where I did mess up, but again, I got this emblem at a junkyard just so I can do this. But I do like it, so what I'm gonna do is repaint the X, redo the sides with the red. Tell me what you like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you on the flip side. Peace!